Welcome to our tutorial on inserting a link into your profile on Twitter using your PC. Let's go through the steps to enhance your profile with a direct link to your website or blog. First, log in to your Twitter account using your username and password to access your profile settings. Navigate to the top of the platform and click on Profile to view and manage your profile information. Within the body of the page, locate and click on Edit Your Profile to customize your profile details. Scroll down to find the web box on the next page where you can input the complete URL of your website or blog. Ensure to include the full URL starting with HTTP, followed by the rest of your website or blog link. By following these steps, you can easily insert a direct link to your website or blog into your Twitter profile on your PC. This allows your followers to easily access your external content and learn more about your online presence. Thank you for watching. And we hope this guide helps you optimize your Twitter profile by adding a link to drive traffic to your website or blog. Enhance your profile today by including a direct link to connect with your audience beyond the platform.